Are you open?
Yeah, take out on there.
Huh?
Take out on there.
Take out only. Okay. Well, we wanted.
There's menu.
Oh, menu's over here. Oh, it's on the TV. Okay. So you guys, let's see. Stand over to this side, Demi. Okay. Do you see the one that you ate with your mom?
We didn't eat the sushi here.
No, okay.
Sushi. I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Alright, you guys, this is the menu right here. So we're gonna order us some sushi from this place and then we'll be back. Okay. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna try this. Now,
I think we should try this first.
try this, okay, so we're gonna first, I don't have sticks, so I have to use a fork. Which one you want to try first? You want to try the salmon or you want to try the tuna first?
Tuna.
You want to try the tuna here? I'll pass you a tuna and then you can yeah. Okay. Oh, did you try the what, sabi?
Oh.
Did you want to take a little bit of it here? Here, let's put some on your plate.
No.
So then you can smash it up. How you want to smash it up? You want to try it? Okay.
I'm good. I'm good.
You good? Okay. I'm gonna try it.
Wait, am I supposed to dip it in sauce?
Yeah, let's dip it in the sauce. Yeah.
You
You gotta bring your plate over so they can see you. Cherish. Can't see you.
I'm a TikTok genie.
Then you gotta.
Step inside the magic bottle.
Yes. You guys, I don't eat sushi with a fork. Usually eat it.
so hard.
Yes, it's hard with a fork. It's like.
No, with the stick.
Mmm. This one, that sauce is good. The sabi is out. Yeah, she's eating sabi, and it's not that the sushi is hot. It's the sabi is hot.
I have buns, yeah. Okay, now the sauce is hot. It's kind of hot.
The sauce isn't hot.
It tastes hot to me.
It's a sabi, huh? Yeah, it's not. The sauce isn't hot.
It tastes hot to me. But it is good.
Her mouth is burning. Yeah.
Like,
So what it tastes like, Jimmy?
now I'm gonna try this one.
Okay, I'm gonna
I
let
can't
you.
even explain.
You can't explain. But did you like it?
Yeah. The two.
Okay, so okay, you want to try the wait a minute, cause I gotta break it off.
Tuna.
Wait, so how did tuna taste?
It tastes good.
I'm gonna taste the tuna, but I did think I thought that the salmon was good. I thought it was really good.
You guys should both try this and the both.
But I
They're
tried
both good.
Well, I like the sabi. You don't like the sabi, huh?
I kind of like it.
Cherry's not gonna try it. Cause she's not a spicy girl.
Yeah.
This is what the tuna looks like, guys. Oh, I had sabi on there. It has avocado in it. I've not tasted it with avocado.
Take another bite.
I'm saying you don't like tuna, and this is spicy tuna.
Doesn't taste like good for me.
You don't taste the spicy?
Mm-mm.
You know what I mean? Maybe it's just me.
think it's you because I think we have different taste buds.
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, do you want to try the ginger? You know? You want to try the ginger? Oh my god.
I don't trust the ginger.
No, the ginger is good. You don't want to try a little piece? Just get a little. Oh, you took a big piece, didn't you? I was saying a little piece.
Just give me a little. I'll try it.
I'm gonna give you a little bitty piece, cause Demi, I know Demi was like, ah. I like ginger.
That was good. I told you.
Yeah, oh my god. The ginger is so good.
It's nasty.
See, they don't know what they're missing. They don't know what they're missing, y'all, because...
I can smell it.
Yeah, you supposed to smell it. You're going to smell it, yeah. But ginger is good for you. Okay, we each get an egg roll. Everybody with us, and this is their dip for the egg roll. This is our egg roll, you guys.
This is our egg roll. I'm so excited.
This is good, though. Now, you like that? What about you? Did you like it? You don't want the egg roll? This egg roll is good.
Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It's the sauce.
Oh, you don't like the sauce? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But it's good though.
We like it without the sauce. Mm-hmm.
This stuff is good, guys. I suggest you get this.
Yes.
This
yes.
stuff is at Hara Sushi Roll.
Mm-hmm. And Lake Elsinore.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can try out different places. If they have it.
Yeah. But if you want to try this one that we're eating, you have to go there. Mm.
This one's good.
You don't like the tuna?
Barely.
Very. Why you don't like the tuna?
Because it's kind of in the like right here. I don't like the crust.
You got to eat it all together. This
The
one
crust is good because it's crispy. And I like crispy.
Yeah. I like crispy
sour.
too.
This and this Arizona is good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But you guys, I like the ginger because the ginger tastes good to me. Love ginger.
And I love sushi rolls.
Okay, which one you like the best though?
No.
What? You like the tuna?
Crispy.
Yes.
Not even spicy.
It's supposed to be spicy though.
It didn't taste spicy to me.
You like the salmon. You're not even eating all your stuff because you're done. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I am.
Yeah, you are. But we'll never give
I'm tearing this stuff
them
up.
ginger anymore. I'm going with the ginger. Because the ginger is good.
You can get the ginger for yourself, but not for me. Not me. I taste some ginger up in here. That's why I never want to. I forgot about the wasabi. I'm never eating wasabi.
But you haven't tried it.
I have.
You didn't try the wasabi?
Not ready.
Okay. You said you never had sushi before.
once. Actually, twice. Oh yeah, she did.
Yeah.
Yeah, with me, it was only me, my mom, and Cherish, and I asked my mom if we could get sushi, and she said yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's where I learned sushi from. But I actually learned sushi from a game.
Oh. Well, that game has good taste. Well, you guys,
And I suggest you to get it right now.
I know some people know Demi from her lemonade
Actually,
stand.
a lot of people, not
Yeah.
some.
Yeah, a lot of people know her from the lemonade stand. And you guys are going to know her because she is going to be the lemonade girl. Demi is going to come out with her own YouTube channel. Yay! And what are you going to do on your channel? That's what I want to know. What are we going to do? What are you going to do?
ASMR.
What are you going to... Oh, okay.
And
what else? What else? There's some other things you want to do besides that.
record soccer.
Cook.
And record my soccer games.
Yeah.
Record soccer.
Uh-huh.
And my
Don't
cupcakes.
forget about me.
Lemonade cupcakes.
Oh, okay. Forgot about you. We forgot about your her helper.
I told them that she goes to soccer with me too.
Okay. But she will be helping out Demi with her channel. She is going to be her helper on the YouTube channel. So you'll see Cherish too. We didn't forget about you. We just hadn't came down to that part yet. You are still part of it. Come on over something. You're still part of it. But you'll see both of them on YouTube on the Lemonade Girl, because she's the Lemonade Girl.
I'm going to be on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Oh, she's telling you,
Already
follow her. So once she puts her channel out, which
if you follow me and come to the pop-up, then you get a free cupcake.
yes.
I'm full.
But you have to show that you're following Demi on her channel. You have to be a subscriber. They have to subscribe in order for you to get a free cupcake. And she will be telling you where her pop-ups are every time she is on the video, right? Yeah,
We
she'll
will
tell you.
post everything on Instagram, and we will tell you to come visit us.
That's right. That's right. So be prepared to see Demi. Even she's gonna make slime on it.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna make slime on your channel.
Yeah!
Hmm.
I'm already full. Me too.
Okay. Yeah. We're done. Well, we're gonna end this video because the girls are full. Plus,
I'm not full.
they have to get ready for soccer.
Yep.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
But we'd like for you to like, comment, and subscribe. The next video, we will be on Demi's channel. Yeah. And we will be seeing what Demi is making. But until next time, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Yes.
Well,
I can't wait to see it. That is going to be so fun.
I want to make slime first.
Oh.
Now I feel like you forgot
Well,
it right now.
I'm sorry. So, what do you want to make on the channel? What do you want to do on the channel? Slime? Okay. So, Cherish. We will be doing slime too.
Yay! We voted
Okay.
for slime,
So you guys, you'll be able to see Demi and Cherish doing slime. So I didn't leave you out. No, I didn't, girl. No, I didn't, girl. I'm sorry, but no. But that's what you want. That's what you want to do. Okay. People can't see your face because you got the can in front of you. So you just tell them that. Tell them what you. What you gonna do on that channel?
Satisfied.
Okay, we can rank it. Okay, so everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye.